Hello, welcome to GP Podcast. Today, we're exploring two groundbreaking developments from OpenAI that are set to redefine the most personal and professional parts of our lives. All right, so here's how we're going to break this all down. First, we'll dive into a brand new AI health companion, what it is, how it plans to bring all your data together, and the big privacy promises they're making. Then, we'll shift gears into the professional world and look at an AI that's being trained to be your automated colleague. And finally, we'll step back and ask, what does all this mean for our future? Okay, first up, a new health companion. Now, you might be thinking, OpenAI, health? It seems like a bit of a leap, right? I mean, a company known for these massive general AI models is suddenly getting into the super personal, super sensitive world of healthcare. So why are they doing this? Well, the answer really comes down to this one single, absolutely massive number. 230 million. That is the number of health and wellness questions people are asking ChatGPT every single week. That's a user base the size of a huge country. So this incredible, almost unbelievable demand is exactly why OpenAI decided they needed to build something dedicated and specialized. And that's where GPT Health comes in. So what is GPT Health really? Well, you shouldn't think of it as just another chat window. It's designed to be an entirely separate, secure environment, built from the ground up to handle the messy, complex details of your personal health journey. And the core problem it's trying to solve is something I think we can all relate to. Our health information is just scattered everywhere. Right now, you've got your hospital portal over here, your watch data there, lab results saved as PDFs, a diet app on your phone. It's a total mess. The big promise here is to bring all of that chaos into one single unified conversation. And how's it going to do that? Well, it's all about integrations. It plans to connect directly with the things you might already be using, like Apple Health or MyFitnessPal. It's also looking to connect with U.S. medical record platforms. And you'll even be able to just upload your own documents, like lab results or summaries from a doctor's visit. The goal is to let you have much smarter conversations because the AI actually has your real data to work with. But look, as soon as you start talking about putting all this incredibly sensitive health information in one place, one giant question just screams out, right? Is it safe? And OpenAI knows this is the absolute make or break issue for this whole idea. So they are addressing this head on with a very clear, very important promise. And this right here is the heart of their argument. The quote says it all. Your private health conversations will not be used to train their general AI models. What you discuss with GPT Health stays in GPT Health. And it's not just a promise. They've built a whole security system around it. We're talking end-to-end encryption, keeping your health data totally separate from regular chats, and crucially, making sure you have explicit control. Okay, so that's the personal side of things. Now let's pivot. Let's shift gears from our health to our work. Because OpenAI is also building something that could completely change the modern office as we know it. Now, we are not talking about another chatbot that can answer a quick question. No, this is something much, much bigger. They are training a sophisticated AI model to act like a remote collaborator, an automated colleague that can handle complex, multi-day office tasks all by itself, from start to finish. So here's how it would work. It all starts with a request, and a pretty complex one at that. You know, the kind of thing your boss might ask for, like, hey, can you analyze this quarter's sales data and then put together a presentation for the board? And here is where it gets really interesting. The AI doesn't just spit something out instantly. It's being trained to mimic an actual human workflow. It'll start the project, maybe it'll pause, come back to it later, polish some of the details, and even catch and correct its own mistakes along the way. It's literally designed to handle a project that takes hours or even a few days. And when it's all done, the final output isn't just a big block of text. We're talking about the finished document in its native format. A ready-to-go PowerPoint, a fully formatted Word doc, or an Excel sheet with all the charts and formulas already built right in. So let's just take a step back for a second. We've got AI stepping deep into our personal health and deep into our professional lives. And this, of course, leads us to a final really big, thought-provoking question about what comes next. And this is really the core of it all, isn't it? When AI is this capable, when it can manage our health and manage our work, what's left for us to do? What does our new role even look like? As these tools become more and more capable, our entire relationship with technology is about to transform. It's going to force us to seriously reconsider our own roles, both in managing our lives and building our careers. If you like the video, subscribe, leave a like, comment on what you liked most, and share the video.